So I think we all enjoyed doing a lot of sums in this data handling, right? We learned a quite about in tally method, and we also learned a quite in the pictogram method, right? So let's have a quick rapid round wherein I'll ask you a question and you need to answer me the answers for the questions being asked. Okay? Shall we start? Okay. So here your first question is, what do you call as the information which is presented in name and number? Okay. Your options are A, data, B, pictogram, 3, tally mark, and the last option is report. Okay. So what is the information which is presented in name and number called as? Is it data, pictogram, tally mark, or report? Is it pictogram? No, because it is represented by pictures, right? Is it tally mark? No, because we represent tally marks using the vertical lines, wherein the question is asked that what is the information which is presented, name and number? Good, it is data. So option A is my right answer. Okay, so let's come to second question. Okay, so here is your second question. Dash are represented by vertical lines. Okay, and your options are data, pictogram, tally mark, and all of these. So can you tell me what is the answer for this? Dash are represented by vertical lines. Very good. It is tally mark. So option C is my right answer. Coming to the next question. Every fifth number in tally mark is denoted by dash. Okay, so every fifth line, remember. Okay, and your options are vertical line, option B is horizontal line, option C is slanting line, and option D is none of these. Okay, the question that is being asked is every fifth number in the tally mark. So if you remember 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is the fifth line, right? So every fifth line is denoted by vertical, horizontal, slanting or none of these. So what is the answer? Good, it is slanting line. Every fifth line is represented by a slanting line. Okay. So here is your next question. Pictures used to represent information is called dash. Okay. Pictures used to represent information are called, your option A is tally mark, option B is pictogram, option C is pie chart, and option D is data handling. So, pictures used to represent information. It is nothing but the, very good, pictogram. Option D is the right answer. Your next question is the top information and the bottom information in the pictogram is called as dash and dash. The top information and the bottom information in the pictogram is called as dash. So, if you remember, when we draw the table, I told something is written on the top, and similarly you have an asterisk and something written on the bottom, right? So, what are they called as? Very good. The top information is called as title and the bottom information is called as key. Right? So, I think we learned quite a new and interesting things in this chapter. So, hope you all had a good time learning them.